All right, people, welcome to video 2 of part 1 of the Golden Yard. I don't even know. I just started recording like right after I did the first part of this. So yeah, I don't really think of a name, but I'm gonna think of a name and it'll be put in the title of the video. So yeah. Once you put on the brakes, I'm gonna make sure that our switches are on. And then I will be putting milk, okay, there. Now we can get off our brakes, turn on our bell, and go forward. More of a reverse signal, but who cares? I'm gonna get these bad boys up to 20 miles per hour. Actually, no, 15. Yeah, 20. By the way, guys, these auto-download into your system. You just have to go through download. If your computer, if you're like on Windows 10 or anything, and it says this is not safe for your computer, it's totally fine. Just click learn more and start download. Just hit license agreement and just click OK twice, and just it'll start downloading. It'll do it. You know, literally for all of them. It's completely safe. Hundreds of thousands of people have downloaded this, or downloaded the locomotives and the rolling stock, and so I don't see why it's such a big problem. I mean, if you guys don't want to have a virus in your PC, you guys are really very skeptical of this. Not much. If you're not much, but if you're skeptical of this, you don't have to download it. I mean, there's already rolling stock in the game. Of course, it's over there. But I just recommend you download it if you're wanting like very high quality like rolling stock for your game. So I'll put it in but man, I love this train. Okay, we're gonna put our train in reverse. Off my brakes. Go reverse. Oh no, you have to be like I say be like at 2 miles per hour if you're going to couple up, because some of them have a tendency to derail, but just go down to a safe speed. I mean, this is not a safe speed, but this thing brakes very fast, so that's why I'm gonna break it down to 2 miles per hour. I'll just keep the brakes on until it couples. That's a quality sound right there. Once we get the AC 4400, I'm about to just put these ones, the Canadian variant. No, that's Saskatchewan, and then where's the? I'm about to hook up with this and the Saskatchewan variants of this behind the AC 4400. Oh, by the way, I've learned from YouTubers say that do not have more than more than 3 locomotives at the front of your train, or else you run into sound problems. I mean, you can have 3 at the front. You can have like a lot of locomotives. I could recommend just 3 to 4, but like maybe like 3 at the front, or just at least 4 locomotives on your entire train. That's what I'm trying to say. I haven't seen these. If you have the Canadian Mountain Passes, Revelstoke to something, Revelstoke line to like all of Canada and stuff. Basically, Canadian Pacific Mountain Passes line. There's gonna be more like this, but it's only gonna be Canton Posh. I hope I'm saying that right. But there's a variant of that just pre-installed into already in this into the root. But these are just extra little added on. These are just DLCs for pretty much DLCs, but they're really add-ons. But I like to call them like add-ons, but they're DLCs and add-ons, kind of mixed. But yeah, I'd be yeah. That's the braking sound when it goes over a switch, and when you just normally brake. We're heading under there, and then we need to find the dang switch for this. Yeah, it's like that. It just does that. Okay, we're going to reverse. Brakes off, and I wish they could change the E-bell on this. I don't really like the E-bell in that locomotive, or on any of the locomotives really. I recommend just always saving right before you hook up to other cars, just in case. So then, like right around there, so then like at 6 miles per hour, so you can brake when you have enough time. 10, just gradually let it break down. Actually, no, add more. That's way too fast, way too fast, way too fast. Okay, those ones don't have the glitch. Just allow the locomotive to sit there for like 3 seconds when the brakes are off before you start going, because then it allows you to start off really faster. This light layout is so cool. It has perfect lighting. Look at that light. It has perfect lighting on this. Add on another little SD70 and then Canadian. You always, pretty much always have to have at least 1 to 2 Canadian locomotives on a train if you're in Canada, at least. If it's a certain kind of train, put like say like a Canadian Pacific, you always have a Canadian Pacific locomotive at the very, very front. But if it's like BNSF, like this one would be, then you would have the BNSF locomotive at the front and any other ones behind it. But these add-ons are so cool. Just look at the creativity of this. Oh, by the way, that AC 4400. No, wait, what is it? The AC 4400 CW locomotive took like 6 years in development. No, actually 6 years on the dot to make. I recommend if you play Train Simulator, you go and buy this. I mean the AC 400 CW. Because they've been losing more. Oh, it's our auto line. Okay, I just need to. They've used up more money than they have earned from this. So you guys need to go buy something from them just to help them. Oh, did you guys see that right there? Like the truck? Because I saw that. Okay. And it's already going. Wow. Oh, probably because the locomotives are like right there. This is the final consist before we head off. And then I'm going to end the video as soon as this is done. Oh crap, have it too. Crap. Oh crap. Brake. Watch it. Dang it. Oh, look at red lights. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this other video here, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!